Let's learn English through short conversations at a hospital. With vocabulary and listening questions. Making an appointment.
Good morning, welcome to City Health Clinic. How can I help you?
Hi, I think I need to see a doctor.
Alright, don't worry, you came to the right place. What's the reason for your visit?
I have a terrible headache. I cannot sleep or focus on work. I'm so stressed out.
Oh no, that sounds painful. Don't worry, we will help you. May you tell me when you started to have this headache?
Since yesterday, I think it's because of stress. I am in the middle of an exam.
I understand, you're doing the right thing by coming here. Do you want a morning or afternoon appointment?
Morning, please. I can't think straight in the afternoon.
We have one at 9:30. Is that okay?
Perfect. And will the doctor be nice?
Of course, Dr. Sophia is super friendly.
Oh, that's good to hear. I get nervous around doctors.
No need to worry at all. We're here to take care of you. Big smiles only today, okay?
Haha, okay. I'm already feeling a little better.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Appointment. A set time to meet with a doctor. Headache. Pain in the head. Receptionist. A person who helps visitors at the front desk. Your listening question is: what time is the patient's appointment? Answer: it is at 9:30 in the morning. Headache and fever. Good morning. Come in and have a seat.
Morning, doctor. I've not been feeling well.
Don't worry, you're in good hands now. What's going on?
I've had a fever since last night, and a strong headache.
I see. Did you sleep okay?
Not really. I was sweating and tossing all night.
Got it. First, let me check your temperature. 38.5 degrees Celsius. That's a mild fever. Nothing scary.
Are you sure? I feel like my head is going to explode.
Haha, don't worry, your head is still safe. You likely have a small infection. Nothing serious.
So, no hospital stay, right?
Nope. Just rest, drink water, and take these tablets. And of course, big smiles, okay?
All right. I'll try to smile. If my head stops pounding.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Fever. A high body temperature when you are sick. Pain. An uncomfortable feeling in your body. Tablet. A small, round form of medicine. Your listening question is: what symptoms does the patient have? Answer. He has a fever and a strong headache. Stomach pain after eating.
Hello, come in, young man. What brings you here today?
Hi, doctor. I've had stomach pain after eating.
That's never fun. When did it start?
2 days ago, after I ate some spicy noodles. I love them, but now, my stomach hates me.
I see it. Do you feel pain right after meals or later?
About 30 minutes after. Then it lasts for hours.
Sounds like you need to take it easy on your food choices.
Oh no, I am going to have a big party this weekend. My friends will bring a lot of food.
Let's be a little more careful for now. I'll give you some medicine. And remember to eat gentle food, lots of water, and vegetables in the next few days.
Thanks, doctor. Will do.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Stomach. The part of your body where food goes after you eat. Spicy. Having a strong, hot taste. Medicine. Something you take to feel better when you are sick. Your listening question is: what food caused the student's stomach pain? Answer. Spicy noodles caused the student's stomach pain. Ear pain checkup.
Hello, please come in and take a seat.
Thank you. I've had an earache for a few days now. I am so worried.
I see. When did the pain start?
3 days ago. It gets worse at night.
All right. Do you remember doing anything different before it started?
I did not do anything strange. But I always listen to music with headphones. Could that be?
That could be the reason. Loud music can sometimes cause an earache.
Oh, I didn't know it could be that bad.
It's okay, you came at the right time. Just to be safe, I'll take a look and check for any signs of infection.
Okay, I'm a bit nervous.
That's completely normal. You're in good hands.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Earache. A pain inside or around the ear. Headphones. A device you wear on your ears to listen to music. Infection. A condition in which bacteria or viruses that cause disease have entered the body. Your listening question is: what may have caused the student's earache? Answer. Listening to loud music with headphones. Skin allergy check.
Good afternoon. What brings you in today?
Hi, doctor. My skin is itchy, and I also have a runny nose and sneezing. It has been going on for 2 weeks.
That sounds like an allergy.
Really? But I've never had allergies before.
It's not unusual for adults to develop new allergies. We should do a test to be sure.
A test.
Yes, it is a blood test. It will be quick.
Will it hurt, doctor?
Not at all. It's like a mosquito bite. You don't even feel it.
Okay, let's do it. Please do not laugh if I scream.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Allergy. A reaction when your body doesn't like something, like dust or food. Runny nose. A condition where fluid flows out of the nose. Itchy. When you feel like scratching your skin. Your listening question is: what does the doctor suggest to confirm the allergy? Answer: the doctor suggests a blood test. Eye checkup. Good morning, sir. How can I help you today?
Hello, doctor. I've been having blurry vision for a few weeks.
I see. Is it in one eye or both eyes?
Both. It's worse when I read or use my phone.
That's common at your age, but let's check to be sure. Do you also have eye pain or headaches?
No, just blurry vision. It's like things are not sharp anymore. I think it may be time for glasses.
We'll test more to be sure. I will do a quick eye exam. Are you comfortable with it?
Yes, I am ready.
Please look straight ahead and follow the light. Tell me if you feel anything strange, okay?
Okay. You are very kind, doctor.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Vision. The ability to see. Blurry. Not clear or sharp. Sharp. Very clear and easy to see. Your listening question is: what problem does the patient have? Answer: he has blurry vision. What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons.